Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in this video I just wanted to review for you what you get with the Master Affiliate Profits free plan. Now in the past it was still in phase 2, and so that was my focus. Now it has moved into phase 3. The free plan is available, and I just wanted to show you really quickly what all is included. Now with the free plan you get affiliate tools and training, and with each section there's this little question mark. If you hover over it, it gives you a description of what this area is. You get affiliate tools and training, and then as you can see, some of these other levels come in. If you upgrade, then you get access to more training. There is live training from Omar and John Thornhill, and the discovery training. As a free member, you get full access to that. The backstage pass is, if you are a platinum, you get full access to that, and the all access pass. And then the Discovery Vault comes in when you upgrade to silver. And then in terms of commissions, if you are on the free level, you get 100% of the first upsell, 25% on all the levels, and then commission add-ons, you can see these other commission levels here. Third-party commissions is if you've connected up your Aweber account or you have a solo ad Udemy affiliate link. You can put that in, and then if somebody you signs up for that, then you can get a commission from Udemy. The second tier commissions is only available if you are a platinum member over here. Now within the program there are some other training programs, so this is a full ecosystem. And so these upgrades here you would only get access to if you upgraded. As a platinum member, of course, you get access to all of that. And the same with the done for you traffic. That is done for you if you are a platinum member. And then just a quick review on the pricing. Silver per month is $37. Gold, the next level up, would be $67 a month, and then platinum is $97 a month. And then if you wanted to save by paying annually, you would just click that over there. And you can see how much you save here. You save $367 if you pay annual. And then over here on the left-hand side, you can see the live training button and the discovery session. As a free member, this is what you would get access to. So you would click on that, and it's going to load the training. And so there's a list of the training. So far they've done one, and so you can watch that there. And then if you wanted to ask questions, if you're joining live, if you have questions, you can put them in there. And so you can have questions answered live on these discovery live streams. Now, if you have upgraded to say platinum membership, then you would also have access to the backstage sessions. And these are there's actually quite a few of them here. So there's quite a few backstage sessions that have occurred, and it goes back over a year. So you would, November of 2023, the first one there, and then it goes all the way through to so far April 6th of 2025. So there's been a ton of backstage sessions with some absolutely excellent training. And then just in terms of accessing different things, if you go to list building here as a silver level, you can see what your training would be. It'll scroll down to whatever your level is. This is what's available if you're a gold. And then as a platinum, you get all of this additional video training right here. So each section has got a lot of training in it that you can access. If you click over here to the left-hand side, you can see all the different categories that you have access to. And if you are on the free level, then of course the amount of material that you get is going to be restricted just because you're on the free. If you want to access more training, then you would need to upgrade. So that is the whole free section there. The other thing that I wanted to share with you is that I do have a full list of bonuses available for you. So in your first email, if you do sign up via my affiliate link, I do have some bonuses that are delivered to you in the first email from me. So You don't have to worry about it. If you sign up through my affiliate link, then those bonuses are going to be delivered to you automatically. And let me show you what those bonuses. So if you sign up via my affiliate link, you get access to this page here. And what you would do is sign up for your free System.io account. And System.io is free up to your first 2,000 contacts, which is amazing. Most companies, it's only like around 500. And then this will allow you to do a one-click import of my funnels directly into your account. This will help you to get a jump start. And the funnel's done for you. You just need to put your picture in and change a few little small things. And then I'm going to give you access to a book template where you would just change the author name and change the first page with a little bit of your story, and you can give this away as a lead magnet. So you've already got a lead magnet that's going to save you even more. Plus a done for you email campaign is already included. Again, this is a one-click import once you sign up for System.io. And then there's the instruction document here, and then I do have some extra additional bonuses here, which I'm not going to show you because it's a surprise. So the actual bonuses, there's a little bit about map here. There's a one-click copy the funnel. The hook formula is the Canva document that you can change. You can put your name in there and change the first page with a little bit of a story about you. There is a done-for-you email campaign, and here is the key to these bonuses. You can copy these bonuses and make them your own. As a beginner, or if you're struggling, one of the things that I really struggled with was trying to figure out what to give away as a bonus. And this is going to make it so much easier for you because you can basically make these bonuses your bonuses and use them the same way I'm using them. And this will help you to sign up more people to your MAP account. If you've seen so many of the people that are super successful with affiliate marketing, usually they have a bunch of bonuses that they're doing. And these bonuses will really help you because so much of it is already done for you. And it's just going to require just a little bit of editing to make the stories your own, put your name in, put your affiliate link in, and things like that. So your bonuses, like I said, are going to be delivered once you sign up with my affiliate link. And so when you sign up or click the link, the affiliate link, it's going to take you to a page like this. Then you're going to click here for access, and before you enter in your email address, please confirm that you see, so if I click here, please confirm that you see Deborah Donaldson here, because if you sign up under somebody else, then you're not going to get my bonuses. And then make sure that you use a real email address, because you're going to get a code in your email that you're going to have to enter on the next page. So enter in a real email address, but not until you confirm that you see my name down here. So if you don't see my name, then what you would need to do is clear your cache and or cookies, and then re-click the link, and then you should see my name. And do that before you enter in your email address. Once you enter in your email address, keep an eye out for your email, because there's going to be a code that is emailed to you that you will need to enter on the next page, and then you're going to get access to the whole system. So this is just a quick overview walkthrough on the MAP Master Affiliate Profit System. It is a full ecosystem, and the thing that I really like about it is that whoever signs up under you is then tied to your affiliate link. So whether they purchase now or 3 years from now, you would still get a commission as long as you're a member of the MAP system. So I'm a lifetime member. I joined in phase 2, so came in at a platinum. So far that has been so beneficial for me. I have free traffic sent to my link, as well as the traffic that I am creating. So this has been a great program. There's excellent training in there. I highly recommend that you check it out. It's free. What do you have to lose? You can check it out, make sure it's right for you, and then decide from there if you feel like you want to upgrade or not. That is up to you. MAP is a total ecosystem, so if they decide to promote something else within MAP, then as long as you're a member and somebody you sign up, makes another purchase, then you would get the affiliate commission. Omar and John are not taking those commissions for themselves, which is what happens with so many of the other platforms. So this is truly a very unique program. It's a full ecosystem. And the people that you sign up underneath your affiliate link are connected to you then. So they're not going to be, it's not like last link clicked. If they click on someone else's link after they're already connected to you, they won't be able to change the affiliate that they signed up under. So that is one of the things that really makes this program unique. So with that being said, I look forward to seeing you on the inside. I hope you found this to be helpful.